you sit on your bum, you don't have that sensation of balance. So it's actually a little aeroplane I don't like. A little aeroplane can't stand it because the wings do this. It's like almost, you know, we talk about air pockets, but it's kind of like it because your wings do this and then it drops.
Okay, so
And
I'm
it picks
in
up, and
the
a
tiny
helicopter
one.
it doesn't.
So it doesn't do that.
No.
Okay, so I'll consider
A
it.
helicopter flies different to an aeroplane, and a helicopter kind of drifts more. It actually, have you ever been in a little aeroplane where it's like really bumpy?
Yes,
And
and
you
a
feel
hot air
this.
balloon.
Helicopters don't do that.
Okay.
Helicopters don't do it unless the wind is really nasty. So they will move around because they're small, but on a calm day, it's the smoothest thing you can have. It's lovely. It's noisy because you're just about a meter away from the engine, but the rest of it, it's beautiful.
But the headphones actually helps with the.
No, they help a lot. You can have a normal conversation. It's just, it's noisier than an aeroplane, although little airplanes are bloody noisy too, because the engine's right in front of your head.
Yeah.
But no, it's not bad. Helicopter flying, I have a license. I've been flying for years. And I'm terrified of it. And I fucking hate aeroplanes.
So do you find, right, that your experience or your temperament is different when you're piloting the helicopter versus being a passenger in the helicopter?
Okay, it's a difficult question. I haven't flown in a long time. I'm very interested in flying. But no, helicopter flying is fun. If you are flying yourself, it's a lot of fun. If I'm this kind of route, I've flown all over the world as a tourist, and it's beautiful. The scenery is nice, and Cape Town is spectacular. It is such a nice trip. The only other trips that I think are comparable, but they're very different, is New York is stunning, but that's because you're looking at all the man-made buildings.
So, as a passenger,
Do I?
as a passenger,
Do I?
do you enjoy it?